Creating WhatsApp channel is an exciting step toward building a dedicated platform for communication and engagement. Whether you are looking to connect with your audience, share updates, or provide customer support, this guide will walk you through the process of setting up your own WhatsApp channel. So let's dive into the video. Okay, so now here I am on my mobile screen. Open your WhatsApp app and swipe left, and here you will see channels and this plus button. So simply click on the plus button here, and there you will find two options, that is create channel or find channel. To create a channel, simply click on create channel, and now simply click on continue. So it will open up like this. Now here you can add your channel name. You can write your name here or you can write your business name here. Then here you need to add description. You can add details about your business here. And then the next step is to add profile photo. So for this, tap here and go to gallery. So you can add photo from here. I'm just adding this one, and now simply click on done. So in this way, all your channel is set up. Now click on create channel, and in few seconds, your channel is just ready. If we click on a name here, now go to channel setting. If you want to add a specific reaction, you can give that reaction to the followers from here. Now if you want to change the name or description of the channel, so for this click on these three dots and now go to edit, and from here you can change the name of the channel, you can change the description, and also you can change your profile photo. And once the change is done, click on save changes. In this way your all changes will be saved. You can do very effective digital marketing through WhatsApp if you have a good number of followers. Unlike other social media platforms where you might not always know if your followers have seen your post or not, you can also share your channel on WhatsApp. So for this, click on this forward button, and once you click, now from here you can send your channel to anyone, or you can copy the link. So for this, click on the share button, and here you see this copy button. So your channel link is now copied. You can send to anyone on any other platform. And WhatsApp is a platform used by almost everyone, and your messages reach the recipient instantly. Now if you want to delete your WhatsApp channel, so for this, scroll all the way down. Here you see the option delete channel. So click on it and now click on delete. It will ask you for your phone number for verification. So enter your phone number here and then simply click on delete. In this way, your WhatsApp channel will be deleted. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!